Okay, let's start to prove the algebraic identity. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. So, how can we factorize this? It's a algebraic identity. It is algebraic identity. So, this is equal to A plus B plus C whole into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. And another one also half whole into A plus B plus C whole into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. This is the formula. So we have to prove this one AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is equal to this one and also this one. We have to prove. This is the justification. This is given in your exercise. Okay, we have to prove that, we have to justify that. Okay, how can we justify? Okay, this one I will rub this one. Okay, we have to prove this one equal that much. Before that, we have to know the algebraic identity. What I have told you, that is AQ plus BQ, that is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. This one is equal. Okay. Now start. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equal to, here AQ plus BQ we have to write. That one I wrote. AQ plus BQ equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. Then after that, as usual, we have to write CQ minus 3ABC. Yes, it is clear. Okay, this step everybody understood? Say yes. Okay, now here this A plus B whole cube and CQ, right near A plus B whole cube plus CQ, and this one right later minus 3AB whole into A plus B, and this one minus 3ABC. Okay. Now here this one you can take AQ plus BQ. Let this one is X. A plus B. This is X and C is equal to Y. So this one is X cube plus Y cube. This one is X cube plus this one is Y cube. So X cube plus Y cube equal to X plus Y whole cube minus 3XY whole into X plus Y. This is the formula. Same formula. It is applied. So this formula will be written here. In place of X plus A plus B. X we have taken. Yes or no? So we can write A plus B. X. This is X. This is Y. This is X. This is Y. So we can write X plus Y whole cube. X equal to A plus B plus Y equal to C. X plus Y whole cube minus 3XY, 3X equal to A plus B into Y equal to C whole into, we are writing this one, whole into X plus Y equal to A plus B plus C. This part is written in this one. Keep your mind. A plus B whole cube plus C cube is equal to this part. Because A plus B, this is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. Here A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. In place of A plus B, it is taken X. X cube plus Y cube. This is X plus Y whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. And the rest later this one we have to write. This part equal to this part we have written. Now this one. Here minus 3AB, here minus 3AB. Take common. Minus 3AB whole into, what is left here? Minus 3AB taken common. Left is A plus B. A plus B. Here minus 3AB taken common. Left is plus 3 minus 3 we taken common means what is left? C plus C. Clear? Everybody understood now this step? Yes. Okay, I am saying again. Keep in your mind, you have to take AQ plus BQ formula. You have to apply AQ plus BQ formula as A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. Okay, so A plus B whole cube formula we have known. A plus B whole cube equal to AQ plus BQ plus 3AB whole into A plus B. Just plus 3AB whole into A plus B taken that side. So AQ plus BQ equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB whole into A plus B. This is the formula. And here this formula is applied. AQ plus BQ equal to this much is applied. And as usual CQ minus 3ABC is written. Just step by step you follow. This one equal to this one and this one equal to written this one. Now this one A plus B whole cube plus CQ written together and minus 3AB whole into plus B minus 3ABC is written as usual. Now this one again the formula will be applied. A plus B whole cube plus CQ. This one is taken X, this one is taken Y. So this is X cube plus Y cube. X cube plus Y equal to same formula A x plus y whole cube minus 3xy whole into x plus y. This is x plus y whole cube equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy whole into a plus b x plus y. So here x plus y, x in place of x we have taken a plus b, in place of y we have taken c, because we have taken a plus b equal to x, c equal to y. A plus b equal to x, c equal to y. Okay, so x plus y whole cube minus 3xy whole into x plus y. This one over, then this one is from this one minus 3ab minus 3ab taken common, minus 3ab taken common. What is left? A plus b, here minus 3ab taken common plus c. Now understood? Okay, very good, nice, good. Okay, now here this one we will simplify. A plus b plus c whole cube minus here 3c into a minus 3c into a minus 3c into b minus 3c into b, okay, whole into, otherwise let it be minus 3c whole into a plus b, 3c whole into a plus b whole into, this is a plus b plus c minus 3ab whole into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Okay, now here a plus b plus c, here a plus b plus c, here a plus b plus c. So this is a part, this is a part, this is a part from this three part. So a plus b plus c you can take common, take it. A plus b plus c whole into a plus b plus c. This is a plus b plus c taken common. More what is left? A plus b plus c whole square. Now this one is taken common. What is left? Minus 3ca minus 3ca minus 3cb, because that is minus 3bc. 3cb means minus 3bc. And what is left here? Minus 3ab. Clear? Okay. Now a plus b plus c whole into a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, and a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and what is left? Minus 3ca minus 3bc minus 3ab. Okay, equal to a plus b plus c whole into, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 3ab, that is minus ab plus 2bc minus 3bc minus bc, and plus 2ca minus 3ca minus ca. So this is the first formula is derived and this is justified. So aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Everybody understood now? Clear? Okay, very good, nice, good. Now second formula we have to derive. What is the second formula? So this part I will write now. Okay, this one is already over, you all have known. So from here we have to derive the second formula. So I will write the first part. Okay, this part I will. Okay. Now here this one equal to we are first formula is already derived. Second formula a plus b plus c whole into this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It is there. What we will do now, here we have to divide 2 and we will multiply 2. So because 1 by 2 into 2, this is 1 into 1, there is no problem. So as we have to prove aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc equal to half whole into a plus b plus c whole into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus c whole square. So that 1 by 2 we have done. So 1 by 2 means here 2 also will multiply. Here 2 multiply means in the whole we have to multiply 2a square 2b square 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Everybody clear now? Yes. So equal to 1 by 2 whole into a plus b plus c whole into here 2a square is there, 1a square I wrote, and from 2b square 1b square I wrote. Here 1 is left, and a square plus b square minus 2ab I wrote. I wrote this one. Now out of 2b square 1b square is taken, another b square is left, and from here 1c square is taken. B square plus c square minus 2bc I wrote. Okay, and here 1c square left, here 1a square left. Right now c square plus a square and ca, here minus 2ca is left. Clear? Now this is half whole into a plus b plus c whole into this is a minus b whole square plus this one is b minus c whole square plus this one is c minus a whole square. This is the second formula derived. Am I clear? Everybody understood now? Okay, thank you. Okay.